Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how we can personalize the form in ServiceNow. As a user of a form, if you don't want some fields to be visible on the form for yourself, then you can personalize the form instead of making changes for every users, means configuring the form. Because if you configure a form, then whatever the changes you made on the form, it will be applicable to all the users. Hence, we used to personalize the form if we are making change just for ourselves. So let's start a demo of how we can personalize the form in ServiceNow. Now on the screen you can see that we had opened an instant form and we are going to personalize the form according to our needs. For personalizing the form, we have to click on this icon which is present at the top of the form. If you're going to see is that this one, in the tooltip it also says personalize form. Once we click on it, you will see that the form fields will appear here. Okay, and every form fields have a checkbox beside it. So suppose we are going to personalize the form for ourselves and we are going to hide the service field. So we are going to search the service field here. So this is the service field, and once we hover over the service field, you also see that it also hover over the actual field where it is present on the form. So if we hover over service offering, it highlighted the service offering field in the form. Okay, so if you want to hide the service field, just uncheck the box of the service field. Once we uncheck it, you will see immediately the service field is hidden. Okay, if you check it back, it appears again, and you will see that there are some of the fields which we cannot hide. Why? Because these are the mandatory fields. So you cannot hide the mandatory fields when you are personalizing form. So if we hide service offering, description, so you can see all these fields are hidden on the form. And once we click on the outside area of the personalized form, then we can see that our form is being personalized. And if we refresh the page, those fields will not appear because you have personalized the form for yourself. So you can see that those fields which you have written with the help of personalized form functionality, they are not available on the form. And if you want to undo the changes that you have done, so you have to go back to the personalized form icon, click on it, and at the top you will see the reset button. Just click on it. It will bring back the original display of the incident form. So we are going to click on this, and you see that our service offering and configuration item and description fields are available on the form. And if we refresh the page, you're going to see these fields will display again because we have reset the functionality to the original incident form. So that's how you can personalize the form for yourself. Do not configure the form because configuration changes will be applicable to all the users. Do not configure the form means do not click on additional actions and click on configure and select form layout and hide the fields from here. So if you are hiding the field from this method, it is configuring the incident form, means it is making changes for all the users. Okay, so do not do that. If you want to hide some of the fields for yourself only, always personalize the form. So this was the end of the video. If you like this video, do share the videos with others. Try these things on your personal developer instance. If you have any issues, write it down in a comment. If you have any suggestion for new videos, write it down in a comment. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.